Hey Canva artists, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a super easy and professional way to remove a person from a photo in Canva, like magic. Here's the picture we're working with. There's this girl with her luggage, and we're going to remove her in a couple of clicks. It's easier than you think. There are two ways to do this. First up, let's try the Magic Eraser tool. Step 1. Select the picture, hit Edit, and from the Magic Studio AI tools, choose Magic Eraser. Adjust the brush size and highlight the girl and her luggage, then hit Erase. And boom, she's gone. Now the second method. Select the picture, hit Edit, and from Magic Studio AI, choose Magic Grab. Click Option, select the girl and her luggage, hit Grab, and within seconds, she's gone. No manual adjustments needed. Both methods give the same result, but Magic Grab is quicker and easier. We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you liked it, leave a comment and let us know what Canva techniques you'd like to learn next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.